Hail, come be here today. Hail, come be here with us today. Hail. Hi everyone, Tuva here. That was a call upon the goddess Hel. The reasons for that is not only is it the time of the year for Hel, if you like to celebrate Samhain or other things to do with that, like we've had winter nights, Halloween, which everyone celebrates. How do you move out of your body into you and then able to move off and do what you want to be doing? Well, it's quite hard for some people, and I thought it would be good to just go through a few steps that you can do to help you to do it. Now, I know a lot of people use mirrors for scrying. They use them and think of them as portals. Now, they can be used as an image as well. And you can put a piece of iron upon your mirror to stop anything bad from happening, just to use it as an image. If you've got one of those long mirrors that you can stand in front or sit in a chair in front of, if you want to try it while I'm here and you've got a mirror, then stop the video, go get it, get a chair, sit in front of it. So what I want you to then do, guys, is to take some deep breaths in through the nose, hold it, and out through the mouth. Now, with my drum, I'm going to take you to get you in that frame of mind before we talk about the rest of it. Now, remember, you are sitting in front of the mirror. Now just keep breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Each time you do this, relax a part of your body. Start with the toes. Feel them on the floor. As it creeps up, this feeling to the knees, let go. Up now, through to the hips. Let go. All that tension. Just let it go. Feeling it come up now to relax the waist, the tummy. Let go. Up now to the shoulders. Let go. Up now to the neck. Let go. The mouth and the jaw. Let go. You feel heavy. And everything is relaxed. You are at the place that you need to be. You are relaxed enough now to lose anything that's been worrying you, anything going on. If thoughts come into the mind, let them pass by and pay them no attention. Look into the mirror. You are seeing you as you are. Because of this, notice what you look like. Now I want you to think to yourself, I wonder what it's like to be in the mirror and look at me on the chair. You visualize yourself and using the feelings that you would get as if you were getting up off of the chair. Visualize it in your mind. Push up with your hands like you do in meditations when you step up a step. You visualize that feeling within the vision itself. So you push up, you see yourself standing in the mirror, and as you walk slowly towards yourself in the mirror, you turn around. You find yourself now looking at you. And you see that you haven't moved, that you are still sitting in the chair, but you are standing in the form that's in the mirror. Now, some people when they see this think, oh, and then they'll find themselves back in their body. So if you can, keep calm and just enjoy this feeling that you have managed to shift your consciousness into a image other than your physical image. Walk back towards you. See yourself turning round and sit back down, and then open your eyes and look, and you will be sitting down again in the mirror. Now, the reason I say do this is because it's an easy way of seeing yourself. When you get better at it, you won't need the mirror. All you will need is you. And that's good because you will have grown into being able to do it, and then eventually you won't need to have to even do that. You will be able to just shift like that. Good for you to be able to practice and do if you have trouble from shifting. Once you get good at it, you can then go on your travels, go all around realms and planets, wherever you want to go, because you can. There's nothing stopping you. You might read in books where it says don't go too far away from your body because there's a cold and it will snap. No. Take it from me, I travel. I go all over the place. Go on a journey and meet hell. You could actually seek her. So I want to give thanks now to her for being who she is. Hell, you are beautiful goddess of death, but also of life, for you have your own realm and you are the goddess that rules that realm. You give people a life after they have mortally died. I give you honour this day and thank you for being present. The things that we learn in our lives, in our practice, and we can use to honour you as well. We thank you and bid you hail and farewell this day. Hail and farewell. It is also Friday today, guys, and it's Freya's day, so I'd like to give her an offering of life, really, because she comes with joy and love as well as death. And so I want to give her an offering. Here's the offering. Some flowers by her candle. But I always end now on a rune. I thought it'd be great to use these today. So I'm just going to take one out and see what it is. Okay. So in my bag. And we have the sun, and that is all about growth and strength and vitality. Anything that you're going through at this precise time that you may need that extra oomph, that extra bit of help. Allow that help to come through wherever it may come from. It can be a problem that is causing you a lot of issues around people other than yourself. And so we use that energy from the sun, we use that vitality, and make sure that we don't give in. A bit like Urus, you know, that strength, that vitality that we can grab hold of to find that ability to move forwards in whatever it is. Find out what it is you need to do to aid you or those around you to get through. So that is today. Also, we have, and I want to pick another one, and that is the petals. Always to me signify the past, the present and the future. What's happened in the past cannot happen now, but it can happen in the future. So whatever you do now will aid you in the future. So in that situation, be it whatever it is, you can find an outcome which will help you in the next following months. And because of what's going on at the moment, I would assume that the great gods are telling us it's all about getting through the winter, getting through financially and emotionally, really, and so that the strength will come from within. When you need it, you will get aid in some way, but you're the one that has to find out where you can get that help from. It's not going to come to you on its own. And if it's someone you're worried about, you can give them the information to help them, or whatever it is that you need. If it's elderly parents and you're concerned, there is help available out there. We have to look for it, guys. It won't just pop into our lives. And so I think it's saying to you, find that inner strength, walk forwards in it, find the outcome which will aid you over the next few months. That's the gods for you. They don't do it for you. They give you ideas. They tell you what you should be doing. And I'm going to leave it there. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And at the end of the day, this channel is here for you guys. So I hope you enjoy what you see on here. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just leave me a comment below. If you guys want to know more about hell, I have a video which I'll put the link above for. Thank you also to all those that are there for me and always have been. I really do still appreciate you guys too, because without you, where would this channel be? And so have a lovely weekend, and I'll be back next week. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House of Belang.